Good morning, grade 4. Today you have to attempt an assessment mentioned on page number 14 of English concept book. Now children, you are very well aware of all the rules from which you convert singular nouns into plural nouns. Here the situation is comparatively different. You have to convert the sentences which are having plural nouns in them into singular ones. Is it clear, children? Now, how are you going to attempt this assessment? I'm going to guide you on that. Now, children, first of all, what you have to do, you have to read the sentence and you have to underline or highlight the nouns. As you can see, this is mentioned in the instructions. Rewrite the following sentences, making the noun singular. So, first of all, you have to highlight or underline the nouns. Nouns, plural nouns, which you have to convert to singular. The books were on the shelves. So you have to underline or highlight books and shelves. The first thing you have to do is to highlight or underline plural nouns. The books were on the shelves. So I have highlighted both the nouns. Apart from that, children, you have to change this helping verb. You are very well aware of helping verb since you have practiced them in your previous grades. You have to change this helping verb as well. Otherwise, the sentence construction will be wrong. Now, let's see how we have to go for it. Now, children, you know that this verb will be converted into was when we will construct a sentence in singular form. Let's do it. The book was on the shelf. See, children, now this is the correct sentence. The book. Here we have changed this noun into singular noun. Here it's plural and here we have converted it into singular. Was. We have changed the helping verb. With singular, the helping verb will be also singular. The book was on the shelf. Now this is a correct sentence. If I had written were here, the book were on the shelf, then it was a wrong sentence. Have you got it? Lovely. Now children, let's quickly revise some helping verbs so you can construct all the sentences in the correct form. Singular helping verbs. Am, is, has. These are all singular helping verbs which we use in the present tense. When something is happening in the present tense. When something is happening right now. I am speaking right now. He is speaking right now. She is reading right now. Or with it. It has a very good mic. It has a lot of colors. So children, with all these singular forms, we use these singular helping verbs when we are talking about present tense. For past tense, we use was and had. Now let's move on to the plural ones. Are. They are studying right now. They are going to the market. They are very happy. So in the present tense, we are using are with the plural in the plural sentence. Now similarly, they have been studying all night. So we will be using have again in the present perfect form. But if we have to talk about some event or something which has happened in the past, we will be using were. They were not available in the class. See children, I am talking about the event that has happened in the past. They were absent yesterday. So this is something which I am talking about the past. Okay children, they were gone to Lahore. Again, I am talking about an event that has happened in the past. Is it clear, children? Let's quickly revise helping verbs. In singular sentence, we use am, is, has whenever we are constructing sentence in the present tense. If we are talking about an event that has happened in the past, then we are going to use was, had. Again, when the subject is singular. In plural sentences or with plural, we use are, have. In case of present tense, were. in case of past tense. Is it clear, children? Now, let's look at some of the examples. The apple is very sweet. So, apple is a singular. We have used the helping verb is. We have used the helping verb is, and the sentence is in present tense. These apples are very sweet. With plural, we have used are. Is it clear? Now let's have a look at another example. And this example is in past tense because you can see the helping verb is was. I was sitting on a chair. I was sitting on a chair. In plural, they were sitting on chairs. So in plural sentence, the helping verb is were. He has a big car. With singular, we have used has. Boys have big cars. Now children, is it clear? I hope you have got the concept of how to convert plural sentences into singular ones and singular sentences into plural. Now let's have a look at the page which you have to attempt right now. I will do first sentence with you and you have to do rest of the sentences on your own. The books, I will underline the noun books. I will underline helping verb because I have to change books. Because I have to change this helping verb. On the shelves. Again, this is a noun. I have underlined the three things I have to change and then I will rewrite the sentence. The book was on the shelf. See, now I will check. I have changed book. I have changed helping verb. I have changed the last noun. Now children, in this way, in the similar manner, you have to attempt all the sentences. Best of luck for your assessment. Take care and have a nice day.